Hey, 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 Mike Barron's here, RC Soaring Diaries. Today we have another episode for you. I'm really excited about today. I'm flying a new airplane that's new to me. It is a Valenta Volcano. It's supposed to perform amazingly well, and we're gonna see what it can do today. Check this out. Wow, so it's time for the maiden flight of the Volcano. This is a very fun airplane for me to fly. I really enjoy soaring, like thermal flying, but I enjoy flying fast too, and I love aerobatics. And having this Valenta Volcano is going to be an awesome plane to add to the fleet. We'll give you a little bit more information about the airplane itself. I'm here at the fly field. You can see an airplane is just landing. That is in Canada. Here we call that a Harvard. In the United States they call it a Texan, an AT-6, but that is a Harvard. But we're gonna go fly the Volcano, see how it does, and I'm gonna need a little bit of luck. Got my fingers crossed that everything goes okay. I'm pretty sure it will, but you know, pre-flight nerves, maiden flight, here it goes.
Good luck.
So far, so good. Lots up elevator. Wow. It's a pretty beautiful airplane. She flies. She flies. Let's check everything out. Just make sure everything's okay. Once I know everything's okay, we're just gonna take it up and I'm gonna see if I can stand it on its nose and have some fun with it. Do some aerobatics. That's what the airplane was designed for. All right. So cool. well, that was an amazing day here at Chinook Winds, right here in High River, Alberta. We were blessed with an amazingly beautiful blue sky day. Had a great time. This airplane is amazing, the Valenta Volcano. 3.7 meters in wingspan, has a great motor on it made by New Motors. The specs will be right down here somewhere. It's really impressive. I'm gonna tell you that, that's for sure. I love these kind of airplanes where you can just take the nose, stuff it straight down, and not have a worry in the world. These things cruise like crazy. It's gonna be a great aerobatic practice plane for all the big scale stuff. And we're gonna bring it out, put it on the slope a little later on in another episode of RC Soaring Diaries. Hey, if you guys love the content in here and wanna see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell for instant notifications. And hey, give it a big thumbs up. On top of that, throw some comments down below. I love to hear your comments and give me some ideas for some of these RC Soaring Diaries. Talk to you guys next time. See ya.